Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix League of Legends unknown player error. So the first step you need to do is to verify game files and repair the client. In client repair, open the League client and use the built-in repair tool found in the settings under general and all troubleshooting. This process verifies your game files and repairs any corrupt missing data, or rather you can use the manual repair, and you get to know that this client repair doesn't fully resolve the issue. Consider reinstalling the game after fully uninstalling it. So you need to make sure that you uninstall the game. If these symptoms persist, this ensures that any problematic files are completely removed before reinstalling. So another thing that you need to take note is many community posts on League of Legends have pointed to the repair tool as the first line of defense. So that is the main thing that you can do in order for you to fix that error. So another thing that you need to do is to flash DNS and reset network settings. Network issues can sometimes lead to the client display incorrect data. So what that means is you need to make sure that you also have good internet. So make sure that you have a good form of internet that you're using so that it can properly reach the Riot servers and rule out the windsock issues. Another thing that you need to do is to flash DNS. And how do you flash DNS? You open the command prompt. So you just type in CMD and you run as administrator. Once you hit that, you get to type yes. And once you type you head in there, you type in the following command, this command here. So you just type in that command and that will flash the DNS. So another thing that you need to do under this command prompt still is you need to reset Winsock, and you're going to go to the command prompt again and you're going to type in this code here, this code that you're seeing here. And now all you need to do now is to restart the computer to apply these changes. And another the key thing that you need to know is these network steps have been recommended by several troubleshooting guides. Another thing that you need to do is to check firewall and antivirus settings. You need to make sure that maybe you can sometimes enable or disable the antivirus and then key in the game again to see if it will help resolve the problem. So for the other thing is you need to ensure that the leak client and related processes like leak client XE and LOL launcher XE are added to your firewall and antivirus exceptions. So again, I'm talking about the antivirus, and you need to temporarily disable security software. As I had told you earlier, you need to disable your antivirus and then run the game again. So this is what we have been told here. You need to disable your antivirus. Also, you need to update your network drivers. And also you need to check for updates on your computer. Make sure that your computer is up to date. Another thing that you need to look into is to the device manager. You open your device manager, you locate your network adapter, right click and select update driver. So this is the device manager. You just type in device manager and then you hit on open as we are told. Locate your network adapter, right click and select update driver. So another thing that you can do is contact Riot support. This is the final resort. If all is lost, you just contact the Riot support and hopefully they will help you, and you submit this ticket as soon as you air your grievances and they will look into it. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you have any questions, put in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.